Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an awesome front lip install on my 2018 Honda Accord. The thing I love most about this front lip is it comes with paint matched pieces, so it looks like an OEM front lip. Thank you to American Modified for providing this front lip spoiler for the 2018 to 2020 Honda Accord. Here are all the pieces that come in the box. It is very well packaged, so I was pretty impressed with that. The screws provided will secure the lip underneath the car, but won't fit any of the holes for the black trim pieces, so I purchased some extra double-sided tape to make everything come together nicely. And it did come with these black clips, but they don't really fit anywhere underneath the car, so I just threw those away. So make sure you guys use the provided double-sided tape and adhesive promoter to attach the side pieces to the car, as well as attaching each of the side black trim pieces. The rest of the front lip can be screwed in to hold it underneath the car, but keep in mind the clips don't line up at all, so there are some small dots underneath on the lip part, which show you where to put in screws, and I did that and it all worked very nicely. In the end, it all came out excellent and the fitment is perfect and very sturdy. I would just recommend getting a little extra double-sided tape from 3M to keep the front lip fully secure on both sides. Overall, I love the color match on the platinum white pearl, which is impressive since pearl and metallic paints are very hard to match. I love the way it turned out and definitely think it makes the car look a whole lot more aggressive on the front end. Thanks again to American Modified for the front lip spoiler. If you guys are Honda Accord owners and want to pick up one of these beauties, make sure to go to AmericanModified.com and check it out. I will leave a link for you guys in the description and comment section down below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you guys enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.